This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, June 25th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have pretty much a zonal flow across the country with progressive systems and disturbances moving from west to east across the area. And we'll have one approaching the state at this point. This could bring us some showers and thunderstorms on an isolated basis today. The best chances will likely be during the overnight hours, however, and it's very fluid because we'll be seeing multiple days and nights of this where we could see showers and thunderstorms. You can see Thursday there could be some activity. During the day, the best chances of seeing precipitation would be in the afternoon with some afternoon pop-up activity, but the main risk of seeing any showers and storms would be during the overnight hours into the morning. You can see Friday we could see some activity during the day with the system approaching from the west. Otherwise, we'll see sunshine all during this period. Highs mainly in the upper 70s to low 80s today, moving up into the 80s to near 90 by the weekend. As you see Saturday, showers and thunderstorms around, not an all-day rain. There'll be sunshine intermixed. Do not cancel weekend plans. Sunday, the chances of precipitation seem to dwindle slightly, but they'll still be around, mainly during the overnight and into the morning hours, and maybe some afternoon pop-up activity. And then Monday, we have a frontal system approaching. That's when we could see some activity on a widespread basis with a frontal system, showers and thunderstorms developing along it. That then pushes through Monday into Monday night. By Tuesday, there doesn't look to be any risk of any showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. That's July 1st. So we move into a new month and we get a new weather pattern. And you can even see that here by next Wednesday. You can see that trough axis is now off to our east over the Great Lakes. A ridge is beginning to build over the south and west, and this is going to push the warm air in the drier air northward. And by Wednesday, next Wednesday, there could be an isolated shower storm, not in an organized fashion, but this will become less and less as we move toward the 4th of July. And speaking of that, as we move into the extended period, this is July the 6th. You can see this ridge from about the state west and southwestward toward the Four Corners, main storm track into the north and west, up into Canada, and then across the eastern Great Lakes and New England. That's going to keep most of the activity to the north and northeast of the state. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm around. Highs, if this is to be right, would be generally in the 80s or 90s across the area. The end of the forecast period on July the 10th. A ridge over the south and east. A bit of a weakness in the south and west. Doesn't mean it won't be hot down there because it will likely see triple digits down there. Main storm track from west to east across the northern tier of the country. It's going to bring some showers and storms around. The Gulf will open up. So we could go into the middle of July and we could be back in a pattern with some showers and storms around, but not every day and every night. Satellite image from last evening, we had some clouds across the eastern Great Lakes with a disturbance there. Another disturbance bringing some showers and thunderstorms across the high plains into the Rockies, and some clouds across the Gulf Coast region. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some flash flood watches and warnings across Ohio into Pennsylvania, western New York. Flood watch in the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle, and across South Dakota into Wyoming and Montana. Elsewhere, it was fairly calm and quiet. The QBF chart, it doesn't look calm and quiet. This is precipitation through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. It shows rainfall amounts across the state could be anywhere between 1 to maybe 1.5 inches. Some places could get less. Some areas could get a heck of a lot more than that.